Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're preparing powerful anti-aging masks that help erase wrinkles and dark spots, using one refreshing natural ingredient, zucchini. Zucchini is rich in vitamins A and C. It soothes the skin, restores elasticity, and gives your face a soft, youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss beauty secrets that truly work. To prepare our base, peel a fresh zucchini, cut into chunks. Place it in a blender and blend until smooth. First recipe, brightening and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of blended zucchini, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, Benefits: gently exfoliates, brightens the skin, and restores smooth texture. How to use: apply the mixture to your clean face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, nourishing and restorative. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini puree, 1/2 teaspoon of rosehip oil, Benefits: fades dark spots, improves elasticity, and deeply nourishes the skin. How to use: apply the mask evenly to your clean face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Moisturize after. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe, firming and lifting. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini, 1/2 teaspoon of gelatin powder. Mix well. Benefits: tightens and lifts the skin while improving firmness. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Finish with a moisturizer. Use 2 times a week. Fourth recipe, rejuvenating and energizing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Benefits: boosts circulation, tones the skin, and leaves a fresh, radiant glow. How to use. Apply the mixture to your clean face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting recipes are coming soon. Fifth recipe: softening and revitalizing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini, a few drops of vitamin E, Benefits: softens dry skin, reduces signs of fatigue, and supports regeneration. How to use. Apply the mixture to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: anti-inflammatory and brightening. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, ½ teaspoon of yogurt. Benefits: soothes redness, evens out tone, and adds healthy glow. How to use. Apply to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Seventh recipe: soothing and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of zucchini, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Benefits: hydrates deeply, calms irritation, and refreshes tired skin. How to use. Apply the mask to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks, or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.